So there's a lot of videos on the SecretLab chair and the wobble, and I have this thing completely torn apart. And in a lot of the earlier videos, they tighten one screw and it fixes your wobble issue. But you have to go all the way down to the base of the armrest to get rid of this wobble.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
All right, this is a video on the Titan XL 2020, and the dreaded armrest is loose. Now, there's a lot of videos out there, and the armrests don't match up with what you're looking for. So let's get into it. First, you remove one of the screws, let's see, from the back side, and you pop this out with a screwdriver. The top piece comes off. Next, you're going to take this plastic part out, put it to the side. Then you want to take this center screw out, okay? And then you can lift this whole mechanism up, okay? We'll put it back together here in a second. Then you have to take these two screws out. And the funny thing is the older versions or different versions of this chair, they don't have the same setup. And something to note, this short part of this plastic goes to the outside. Okay, something like that. Then this piece will come off, and revealed down below, this is what is causing your problem of the armrest shake. So you simply tighten these 4 screws down. Voila, no shaky armrest, that's it. Now, putting this beast back together, you have to line up the slots with these ball bearings. So you just kind of wobble them to wherever this is, and you'll feel it lock in. So let's see here. It'll kind of just lock in. That's it. Put the screws back. Remember, short side of the plastic goes closer to you. Okay. And this was driving me bananas, to say the least. I was about ready to order a new sorry for the shaky camera work. I wouldn't have over tightened these because this is the movement back and forth. All right. I just kind of go semi-tight. Okay. And then we're setting this off. This may be a little trickier because of this piece. You got to get locked in. All right, not too bad. And again, I think the problem with the design of this chair is, by nature, these screws can't be over torqued. So ultimately, you end up with a situation where they get loose. Okay. And then put that little tab. And really, I was intimidated at first taking this thing apart, but it's honestly, if you're gonna possibly have to order a new one anyways, it doesn't really matter, right? Everything's locked in. Snap the cover back on, and that's it. So, hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo out.